Hello everyone, welcome to this delicious kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make neer dosa. These soft, white, delicious dosas are a specialty of Karnataka. But before that, do not forget to subscribe to our channel Desilicious Kitchen and press the bell icon for notifications. We've taken 3 cups raw rice or khane ka chawal and we have soaked this in water for 8 hours. After 8 hours, we have drained the water and taken the rice in a mixer jar. And to this rice, we have added rock salt. You can add any salt. And now we are adding 1.5 cups grated coconut. Remember, for 3 cups raw rice, we have taken 1.5 cups grated coconut. And now we are going to grind this, adding very little water. Let me tell you the measurement. We will be adding 1 cup of water for grinding. So now we have blended this to a smooth paste, adding 1 cup of water. Now we have diluted the batter further by adding 3 more cups of water. We have to bring the batter to a buttermilk like consistency. So in total we have used 4 cups of water, 1 cup for grinding and 3 cups for diluting the batter. Now we have heated a tawa, and when the tawa is hot, we have taken the batter in a bowl and we have to pour it like this from top, just like we do for rava dosa. Now let us move the tawa side to side so that the batter will get spread evenly. After this, we have to cover for about a minute, less than a minute, and then if your dosa is the right consistency, you will be just able to pull it off like this with your hands. There is no need for a ladle. Of course, if you want, you can use it, but it comes off easily. See how nice our dosa is. We have used an iron tawa. It's much more difficult to make it on an iron tawa. For those of you who are using non-stick, this is going to be cakewalk. So make all the dosas in a similar fashion. See, this is how easy it is to remove it if you have got your dosa right. Soft neer dosas are ready. You can have it with pretty much anything. Sambar, chutney, kurma. But today we are going to have it with Kerala kadala curry. This is made with kala chana, Kerala style. I am going to put this recipe in our channel very soon. It has already been shot. I am editing it now. Do check it out. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.